Enemy threats in the AO. Weapons hot.
Frag out!
Grenade out!
We're in control.
Enemy in the center.
I got a freaking dub.
Nice.
This guy scared the shit out of me. He must be at the house. Yep, they're at the house.
Quick house?
Yeah. Nope. Yep. He's got me. I can't believe I'm the one who got him. This is a slow sniper.
Fuck. Playing with a fucking window, god damn it.
Get your revenge, Dustin.
No, I don't know if it was the revenge.
Grenade out!
Oh shit, burning barn.
Up top.
Bottom. You guys get him? Yep.
I'm
Punchy
looking.
beard got him.
Reloading!
Oh shit.
Setting a mine!
Fuck, burning barn, first floor.
Oh.
Where'd they get you at?
Freaking pros got me on my team.
Oh. Green.
Back alley.
He got me too. Shit. They're all back behind that creek house or whatever.
Yeah, that's where they're spawning.
Well.
Target eliminated!
While they're camping in the cemetery back at Creek House.
Going there now.
Got him. Got cemetery. Hey, they're coming behind
There's
you guys. Coming through cemetery.
Enemy at the center.
I'm scared.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Got one cemetery.
I think they're just spawning back there. We might be able to keep them back there.
Got two cemetery. Scared.
We're halfway there. Keep fighting.
I don't know if I killed anybody, but I think I did. I was flashed. It didn't even show anything.
Enemy at the door.
Got three cemetery.
Oh, I spawned Creek. They may have flipped.
Oh, Prime, go get him.
Where? I don't
He's
see
over
anyone.
there. He just ran that
Oh.
way. Yeah.
I see one guy. I got one guy.
Oh, he got me. They're in the cemetery.
Enemy at the graveyard.
They're still there?
Fuck. Betty. One guy ran Creek House from the back.
Rain.
Grenade out!
Enemy at the back alley.
Oh, he's laying on the ground. How did that RPG not even get a hit mark? Laying on the ground, bottom creek house.
Got him, Haywood. Oh, there's a guy to the right. To the guy. Far right.
Hey, you killed Girth Brooks?
Got him.
Double.
Middle.
God. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Sorry,
Oh
Fury.
shit.
It's alright, are they still
Allied
here?
cruise missile away.
I don't think so. I think we fucked it up now. Oh, one more. Oh, I got him. How'd they place a Betty right there?
Oh, they're spawn on the left side. By the beehives and stuff.
Beehive, what is that?
Enemy at the back alley.
Well, sorry, right side beehives, I guess, from our original. Oh,
Oh, one guy's the lumber in front of a blue house area.
Friendly care package inbound.
Grenade out!
no, he's below crows. That's blue.
Got him.
Fucking crows, you work for that.
One guy's in the middle of a creek house like the stream. No, I got him, but this, I got killed by someone at that stream in front of creek house.
Ted got him, Ted got him. Spawn flip?
Shit.
Possible spawn flip.
Oh shit.
Oh, yeah, stop burning, stop burning.
No, cemetery still. There's someone still in the cemetery.
Is there really?
Yeah, he's he's somewhere. I can't tell. He's prone on the ground,
Grenade out!
mixed
But
with the
they're all
grass.
spawning the other side, by the way.
Okay.
This is our fight. Stay focused.
I got the guy in the cemetery.
Oh, good.
Guy laying in the middle, laying down in the middle near river or creek, whatever.
Probably the same fucker.
Got him.
Cluster strike incoming. Take cover.
Very
Scored a
nice.
victory, mate. Let's have another.
I'm having technical difficulties.
Are you?
Yeah, my keys are fucked up. I need to reset it. I don't know what I did.
Enemy at the
Well, we can
graveyard.
take a few minutes if you want to reset.
Nice.
Fuck.
Nice.